Hello and welcome to new Xeelo call. Today we have beautiful morning, so why not talk about some features in Xeelo, right? So first feature, what we have to talk about is export improvements. Export, each type of export, like CSV, okay, I show you, administration in export, for example, XML, CSV, browser, MS Excel has its own set of settings that has to be set or could be set. Like, for example, CSV has, you can set within a CSV type like delivery and calculations and temporary calculations and other things. You can even set here, when I save it, in lines, there are different types of line, like SQL, export date, I don't know, command, and so on. So it's within a CV type. And when you select, for example, browser, you can see that calculation and temporary calculation disappeared. And for example, we can't set delivery and so on. So there are some set of rules that, or some set of settings that should be set or could be set. Yeah, those settings, or we create a matrix that show us those settings. You can find the metrics on forum. When I open the forum, I guess it's in export details. And here there is a paragraph that not inform you about different metrics of settings. Yeah, like for each type can admin set different functionality in Xeelo and so on, blah blah blah. So there is a Excel file. So when you open it, I already downloaded. So here we go. When you open it, you can see something like type of export. At the top, and on the at the left side you can see functionality that could be mandatory, optional, visible, or selectable. The hint is in the second spreadsheet, so you can see the hint and you can see the overview of that functionality. Yeah. So that was the first feature, like better improvement of it. Okay, next one is possibility to define first password for user. In administration, in users, in particular user, we have now a new field called first logon password. And when you create a new user, you can fill that first login password. And once user tries to log in with credentials you provide him or her, it will automatically convert the password into a database. It will remove the password from the field and store the password in database, so he can or she can easily log in through with the password you provide. Yeah. You can use it for change password as well. Whenever you type here, when it's like nothing here, when you type something like new password, save and close. Let's try it. We'll try dev test. Here we go. Log out. Now I try to log in with my old password. It's still correct. Well, it's not the old one. Let's try something like that. Well, what was that? Here we go. And when I try the new one, I can log in now. Yeah. So you need to try, like literally, I try the new one now. When I try the old one, it shows me wrong user password on name or password. So it's literally convert the provided password into database when you try to log in. All right, and the last feature is possibility to define user first password via object or periodic action. It's not. You should know that we have some object action in object, for example, service ticket, that allows us to create a user and all information or set all information about the user in user management and administration, right? That's the reason why we have a user management module. So we have now possibility to set a new first user password from object, from user environment. Yeah? And the type of object action called set first user password, and as a parameter you provide obviously first user password and user login, yeah? Like michael.journey called whatever. All right, and that's it.